Today I want to show you how to switch off a low tire pressure light in Kia Picanto 2011-2007. Today morning I got into the car, turned the key and the low pressure light came on the dashboard. First you should check the wheels and the pressure in the tire. Then top up pressure in them. If you have already refilled the pressure and you're sure it's correct, you simply can drive the car. The correct pressure will be sent and recorded by sensors, and the indicator, the light on your dashboard, will go off after about 5 to 15 minutes of driving. It's simple like that. Today I want to show you how to remove unwanted phone from Bluetooth system. So first, press the setting button once, go to number 4, phone, and press number 4, turn the knob to phone list and press the knob. Now go to unwanted phone and press the knob. Next, choose number 3, delete, press once, and all done. Unwanted phone is deleted.